We are looking at number lines and interval notation. So this is talking about how a set of numbers, it's an infinite set of numbers, usually between something. All right, so we're asked to graph the interval represented in interval notation on the number line, and there we have it there. So things to note is that's the union, which just means these two things are together and represented on the same number line. On the right side here, a parenthesis means not included. So we can never touch infinity, so it has to be that way whenever we have the infinity sign. We are not including the end of infinity because there is no end. And then the bracket here, the bracket means it is included, Okay. For a not included, we would represent it with an open circle. It doesn't include it, so it goes up to that. And for an included number, it's a closed circle. So that means you're including the point, whatever point it's on. So if it were like the number 5, this would be not including 5. We skip 5 here. This one is including 5. It's filled in. We include it. All right. So all that put together, we read these things left to right, just like we would read English. So it's saying that we go from negative. I like just drawing these instead of doing it on their number line, and then we'll match it to here. So negative infinity means that we're going everything from the negative side all the way to -4. And notice that we are including -4. So at -4 is a closed circle. And I like including the number 0, showing it. That's just a good reference, especially when we have negatives. And then it picks up again at 6. Notice we have a closed bracket here, so it's a closed circle at 6. And then we're going into positive infinity. So this goes to positive infinity. This goes to negative infinity. So it's all the numbers from negative infinity to -4, including -4. It skips these in between, then all the numbers from 6 to positive infinity. All right, so let's go ahead and let it see if we can answer the question or plot it. So there's something important happens at -4. So I'll see if it lets me click at -4. Yes, it does. And notice it's a closed circle there. Good. Then we got it at 6 and going off into positive infinity. And everything looks good. All right. Anything strange going on? No. All right, let's go to the next one, see if there's anything different. All right. Let's go ahead and express the interval notation. All right. The interval shown on the number line in interval notation. All right, interval notation. So notice what we have here. We have an open circle, open at 5. So 5 is included or not included? Not included. Do you remember what symbol we would represent with a not included? That's it. And then we have the infinity going off to here into positive infinity. So it's always kind of nice to mark it. And we wouldn't include positive infinity either because we never touch it. All right, so the interval notation here, we have a parenthesis. There it is, parenthesis. We start at 5 and we go to positive infinity. And that's all it looks like. And interval notation, let's just kind of be careful what we see here. These right here are inequalities. L-I-T-I-E-S. Inequality, sorry, my mouse jumped right there. All right, so these right here are the inequality symbols. Inequality, not equal symbols. And then these would be the interval notation symbols. So pretty soon, it looks like we'll be doing some inequalities here also. Or doesn't play a part on this. We would usually use union for these. All right, and everything looks pretty straightforward. See if the next one's anything different. And same kind of problem. All right, so do your best on these and good luck.